Hey Melissa, how's it going? Thank you very much for clicking in this video. My name is Lucas, and I was talking with Mary about this video that I put together for you about these three things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start building Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath. These guys, when you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, they pop up at the very first results on Google, here and here, okay? And Lars Remodel, even though right now on the organic they pop here, they're gonna be on the very top in no time since they're outperforming these guys a lot, and they're already on the top on the market. But you could be there really easily as long as you follow these tips that I'm gonna give you in this video and put it in action as soon as possible. So you will be able to secure those first two spots in no time. You may wonder why I make this video for you, and it's because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet work for them. And when it comes to hire somebody to do that, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So I like to make these free educational videos and send it to business owners. And a lot of them, they take the information and put it in action themselves. But some of them contact me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is good for me. So that's it. Let's jump with the video. If you like what you hear, please feel free to contact me anytime on my phone or on my email and we can chat. What I want to tell you about is the three main things that Google uses to rank a website at the very top here. Those are content, backlinks, and citations. I see that you have some content here already, and Google usually likes to see about 2,000 words of content with a lot of keywords in it on the homepage, okay? I see that you have around 500. Content is not just the text, this is also the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind those pictures. As you see, Large Remodel have 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Miramar Kitchen and Bath have around 500, I believe. That's okay. So you want to beat them with about 2,000 words with a lot of keywords in it. A keyword is basically, let's see, 500. A keyword is basically the terms that people are looking up the most on Google regarding the services that you're providing. Okay. That way, when they look it up, they can find you and Google can put up your website at the very top. Second thing is backlinks. A backlink is basically another website putting a link to your website that drives the traffic back to your site. So that means that the way it works is kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant pages vouching for you, and also it's not they rather, it's more powerful if those websites are in your same niche. So you can get a backlink from a website that talks about shoes or pizza, but it's not the same as if another remodeling company or another construction company drops a backlink to your website. Okay? So how you check the backlinks? Here in Purple Room, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Okay, that when I put your website here, I can see that you have 57 referring domains. These domains are good, as I said. Some of them are more powerful than others. When you put Large Remodel, you can see that they have 74. These 74 are pretty powerful as well. That's why they're ranking high. But when you go to Miramar Kitchen and Bath, as you see, they just have 38 on this website. But these 38 are so strong that allows them to rank at the very top, even if they don't have much content. In my opinion, large remodels are performing way better with their backlinks and their content. So they're scaling little by little, and in no time, I think they'll be on the top. They're already on the top here on the market. But you, by just simple as going to their websites, getting all the referring domains that they're in, making a profile and dropping a link to your website, will be able to beat them with no problem. Also, you add some extra on top of that, and then you're guaranteed 100%. That way, if these domains are good to rank them, they're good to rank you. Okay? So just copy them and add some extra on top. Last thing I want to tell you about is the citations. Citations is what it gets you here, okay, on the remarkable results. And the good thing is that you can do it completely for free. The only thing you need to do is putting more citations than your competition. On the A citation is basically your business information listed in several directories throughout the web. Directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Facebook, Angie's List, all those kind of things. And here, the same as with the backlinks, what I would do is copy them and then add some extra on top. But here, I would do at least 100 more. So let's say that they have 150 citations. Me personally, I would go for at least 300. All right. That way, you guarantee that you secure the first spot. And when they try to catch up to you, you'll make it really hard for them. That said, let's make a little recap. You will need around 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. Then build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing it by copy the backlinks of your competition here, and then build some citations in order to beat the number of your competition at least by 100. With that, you'll be able to secure those first two spots in no time and get all the business and the calls that come with it. If you're interested in going and doing this, we recommend you to start as soon as possible since it takes some time to finish, to get it done and implement everything. And the sooner you're done, the sooner you'll be able to get all that extra business. So feel free to take all this information and implement it yourself. But if you want me to help you get in there, please just give me a call or send me an email and we can chat about it. Thank you very much for watching the video. And if you can give me a little feedback, I'll really appreciate it. Thank you.